Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun look for you guys. This like electric green but very wearable eyeshadow look. I created this look with some of the new products Limelife just recently launched. One of them being this awesome palette, you guys. The colors in here are so pretty. Pairing any one of these colors with a nice brown neutral makes them very wearable. I'm also going to show you guys how I like to wear a pencil liner because they just recently launched gel liners in a pencil form, so that is really cool, and my new favorite gloss color. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hey you guys, so I'm just going to show you step by step how I created this look, and there will be a more in-depth in the description as well as links to all the products used. Hope you enjoy. So what did you guys think of that tutorial? If you guys liked it, I would sure appreciate a thumbs up on this video. If you guys want to see more from me in the future, click the button right here and you will subscribe to my channel. You'll want to click the notification bell as well because that will notify you when videos go live. I do new videos every week, and if you guys would like to see a more in-depth video on 2 different ways that I like to put on my foundation, click the video right here. And if you guys would like to see some more eyeshadow tutorials, click the video over here. I will see you guys in the next one.